All right, guys. So if you got a 2018, probably from 15 to 19. If you got a Nissan Sentra, which is making like a loud noise, or you got a hole on exhaust manifold right behind of the engine, so this probably may be your problem right here. See right here, this one, it has a big crack right there. It can be welded back, but it probably needs to be take it to the welding shop so they can do it the right way. But it's all the way around, so if you got the big noise right there, that's probably gonna be a problem. Not the exhaust pipe or something else, or not exhaust manifold. But the thing is, you may have to remove to find this out. You may have to remove the cover over here. All right.